Welcome to my channel. How to reset Virgin Media Booster. 1. Locate the Virgin Media Booster. Find your booster device, usually placed in a spot with poor Wi-Fi coverage. This is the device you'll reset. 2. Check the power connection. Ensure the booster is plugged into a power outlet and turned on. The device should have indicator lights showing it's powered. 3. Find the reset button. Look for the small reset button on the back or underside of the booster. This button is recessed to prevent accidental presses. 4. Prepare a tool for resetting. Use a small, pointed object like a paperclip or pin to access the recessed reset button. Five. Press and hold the reset button. Press and hold the reset button using your tool for 10 to 20 seconds. You'll notice the indicator lights change, usually flashing or turning off. 6. Release the reset button. After holding the button for the required time, release it and allow the booster to restart. 7. Reconnect to your Virgin Media Hub. Use the WPS button to reconnect the booster to your router. Press the WPS button on the router first, then on the booster, to pair them. 8. Test the booster. Verify the booster is working by checking for improved Wi-Fi signals in previously weak areas. If not, repeat the pairing process. Thank you for watching.